Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. So today we are going up into the Dollar Tree to see what's available and in stores right now. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness. So I am in the plus section here where they have some crazy toys for Christmas. And I'm trying to understand this Drip Bear marble pour kit. What is happening here? 7-inch posable bear with paints. Okay, so I don't know what's happening here, but it's $7. And that's what that one's looking like. And then they have this color as well. Somebody let me know if you know what the heck this is. But for whatever reason, it caught my eyes because it's just so weird. It's a Drip Bear. Nobody knows. But let me know. Of course, they do have other toys and things like that. So if you are looking for budget toys or white elephant gift type toys, they have a ton of really cool stuff over here. I used to love this kind of stuff when I was a kid. But yeah, so let me know. Okay, you guys, somebody gonna have to come get me because I'm trying to understand, is this throw blanket $1.50? Because I'm not seeing another price. Oh, no, it's $6. Okay. Oh my goodness. They had mixed it in over here with stuff that looked like it was $1.50 and I was confused. But they do have a 50 by 60 kind of Christmas throw blanket here. I guess that's the image that's on it. Then they've got this one with that image. And what's this? Looks like, oh, nope, that's the same one as that. Is that it? I think that's it. But interesting throw blanket for $6. I don't know about the quality. It feels a little bit thin. But interesting concept. So here's a couple of honorable mention gift ideas and stocking stuffers that I saw in the store. While I was in there, this particular section had the music blaring so loud. So I decided to do a voiceover because I did want you guys to see these items because I thought that they were really cool. Now, what are they trying to do over here? It is a fragrance warmer. Okay, so you put the wax melts on it. Okay. For half a second, your girl did not know what was going on. Okay. So, oh, you plug it in. Do you guys see that way deep down in the box? You plug it in, and there must be a light bulb or something, and it looks like a little red house for Christmas. Oh, I see. It's all coming together. And then, okay. And then that melts the wax. And this is only $5. I love every last piece of that. This section, you guys, has been getting it in. What is up with this Christmas apron? Now, I have seen this in previous years, but I love this. It's like a little Christmas Santa or Mrs. Claus outfit apron for $9. That's really cool. Let's see if we see. Oh, of course, our trees are back. Everybody knows how much we love these trees. How much are they this year? They're $5. I feel like they were $5 last year, but if I'm wrong, somebody correct me. I know you guys will. I like these like little calendar pieces. He's just as cute as a button. How much is he trying to be? $5 for him. Look at his little hair here. Oh, that's so cute to me. I don't know. Snowman's cute. Reindeer's cute. And then of course you got a little Santa action. And then they've got also this one. Now what happens here? Oh, it moves around. Oh, do you guys see that? So it's Rudolph. Wait now. His nose is looking a little like it. Maybe he can be tightened up. Y'all gonna have to tighten up the dang screw in the back. But I think that's the point, is that he would move through the 24 days leading up to Christmas. I love that. Let's see if we can find anything else. Oh my goodness. I feel like I saw something like this that was similar, but I think this is my first time seeing these. Is that not the cutest candle holder you've ever seen with that kind of little Christmas bow top? And is it just this size? Okay, so it looks like it's just this size. $3. That for $3, and I'm assuming that that's the accurate price, is crazy. That's crazy. There's no way if you went to Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, any place like that, and you were trying to buy this, you would easily be coming out of pocket for $12 at the very least. These are so cute. If you see them, snatch them. Okay, you guys, I think this is my first time seeing these. Have we seen these candle holders before? I don't know if you guys are checking this out, but it's kind of got like a frosted glass situation, and there's this kind of black grayish one, which I think is way cool. And then they've got this kind of brown, almost amber colored one. And these are at the $1.25 price still. Am I understanding that correctly? Because that's what I see listed. I hope that's true. We never know. But I really think that those are beautiful. And then I think we've seen these before, but I still think these are really, really classy. Somewhat high-end looking. So there is that as well. Let me see. Some of these candles would make a really, really good addition, again, to either a stocking stuffer or some sort of gift box or gift bag. But this is really cool. I love the idea of these scents. It's bourbon barrel pumpkin. And you kind of get the layered effect. It makes it feel like this candle is a heck of a lot more high-end than, you know, that price tag of $1.25. Now, what's happening here? I like the packaging. You guys seeing those? Now, this feels way more fall to me, and it's funny because during fall I was looking for these and not seeing them. But cranberry chutney, I feel like we could still let that ride through Christmas. Harvest apple is giving a little bit more fall. But hey, who doesn't like fall scents all year long? I feel like you could still put these into a basket. Pumpkin bourbon barrel. They're going real far with that pumpkin and bourbon smell. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, you guys, I'm seeing a couple things over here that I don't think I've ever seen before. Oh my goodness. And one of them is this like beautiful kind of hanging glass sign where it says home sweet home with this beautiful floral pattern. I think the round is, yeah, it's an MDF circle frame. So it does look like this glass piece could pop out. So you could use the MDF for something else, the MDF ring for something else, and then the glass for something. But super, super cool. And then guess what else I'm seeing that I've never seen before? I have to try to squeeze this back down, y'all. Y'all know how it gets over here, but don't worry, we'll make sure we get it back in there. I'm almost scared to pull another one out, y'all. Ooh, Lord. Oh, okay. So they also have it in a different pattern. And this one says welcome. And I'm wondering, is that like a... It almost looks like that's a transfer sticker because it looks like this one's popping up. So it looks like maybe you could take this transfer sticker off and put another one up just for us DIYers. Yep. Let's see what else we can find. Hold the frickin' phone, y'all. Hold the frickin' phone. What is this? Wall art. What is this? Is this over here at the $1.25 price? Wait. Are you guys, is your mind being blown right now? Do you see this? And this frame, this has got to be an 8x10 or 8x11. Yeah, 8x10. And it's really, really good quality. It's super heavy, but it already comes with a piece of art or something in the center. Do you guys kind of see these golden botanicals? This is a game changer, you guys. This would be something I would DIY, but we don't have to. I'm just trying to see if there's other patterns. So no, it looks like the patterns that we just saw, those two, is all that there is. But these are incredible. They're incredible because they are good as is, but just the frame by itself and or this piece and the mat at the $1.25 would be worth it. So if you guys see these, nab them because they're really, really cool. Oh, I wanted to bring this to you guys' attention because my girl Kira from Simply Miss Kira asked me why I didn't grab any leggings before. And I was like, because I didn't really see the sizes go up. So it made me want to come back and just see what the sizes went up to. And it looks like there is a pair. These are very soft, you guys. Very soft leggings for $5. And it does look like I see a 1X. That is the... I see a 1X in these down here too. Oh, you better shut up. 3X is the highest I'm seeing. Is that true? So the leggings go up to 3X for a pair of super soft leggings, and the dimensions 22. Oh, so as they're saying, okay, so they're not giving us the measurements, but they are saying that if you normally wear a 3X, which is I guess a US size 22, size 24, that this 3X legging would be a good fit for you. So there you guys have it. If anybody was interested, and it looks like they also have 3X in that other set. If I can get the, yep. So if anybody was interested in how far they go up in size, they do apparently go up to 3X, or at least here in my store they do. So now you guys know, and these might be a really cool gift item for anybody you might know as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.